What's up, y'all? It's Bumpman here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a wind protector for any microphone. It doesn't matter if it's on a camera or your phone, which is what I'm going to show you guys how to use it on. But it's very effective. It's super cheap. It's less than $5, and it works like a charm. I have a video, a Rode Video Mic Me, but this is kind of cumbersome to take around with you, especially with a dead cat on it, for the wind blocking. But I'm going to show you how to make it out of fabric that you can get at any fabric supply store. I went to Joann's and got this one. And then a hair tie. That's it. And like I said, it was less than $5. It was $1.70 for the piece of fabric. Actually, it's a bunch of fabric. So, like a bunch of it. Because they only sell it by the yard. So then all you have to do is say I only need like 3 or 4 inches. And then a pack of hair ties. Hair ties are like $2. So I'll show you guys how to make it. Here's my Rode Video Mic Me that I don't feel like carrying with me all the time. So I decided to make this makeshift dead cat that goes over the case of my Note 8. It's literally just a piece of fabric with a hair tie. That's it. And it goes on there. I tested it out. I'll let you guys hear the footage later. But this is the dead cat that goes on top of the Video Mic Me. So as you can see, that's kind of bulky, even though it is really small. But having that hanging off your phone and having to carry this big poof around and then remember to put this on, it was just a lot easier to do this. And the results are very similar. And it only cost me couple bucks, you know what I mean? Like I said, it was like $1.70 for this furry fabric here at any fabric shop, and then the hair ties are like $2 for a pack of like 20 or something. Now for this, you don't need anything special. As you can see, I just have a regular tape measure, a pair of scissors, and then the case for my phone. My phone is a Samsung Galaxy Note 8. As you can see in the receipt here, it only came out to $1.28 for that piece of fuzzy fabric, I guess. See, I measured my phone. It was like 3 inches. So you didn't even really need to measure it. You could have just held the phone up to the fabric to see how much you need. So I measured 3 inches of fabric and then decided to cut it there, because all you're going to do is wrap that fabric around the bottom of the phone or wherever your microphone is for your phone. Mine's at the bottom right hand corner, so I just cut that piece of fabric. It's nice and fluffy, but that piece of fabric, I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna wrap it around my phone, literally with a hair tie. This is the thicker hair ties, not the super thin ones. And like I said, that pack of hair ties was maybe $2. So you just take it, fold it over, and then you're gonna fold the excess over too. It doesn't have to be perfect. All it has to do is cover that microphone. And then you just put the hair tie over the fabric, and that is it. It doesn't block any of the controls on the bottom of my phone or anything. But it works like a charm, and it's not big. It's not even that noticeable. And you can carry that anywhere with you. You could carry a piece of fabric and a hair tie in your back pocket and not even notice it. So this is what the do-it-yourself wind blocker looks like on the phone. Like I said, it's nothing much at all, and it's not really that noticeable when you're using it. So I'm gonna hop on the Meepo and let you guys hear it. I'm just gonna do 2 top speed tests here. I'm gonna have it with the microphone facing into the wind. First one's gonna have the wind blocker on it. The second one's gonna have the wind blocker off, so you can hear the difference. I don't know where y'all are at, but it's like 60 degrees out here. It's gorgeous. This is with the wind blocker on. Turn around and go the other way and take the wind blocker off. So I just took the wind blocker off. I faced the microphone directly into the wind so you can hear the difference. It's kind of hard to differentiate the sound of the wheels against the asphalt and the wind, but here's another test right here that'll really prove how effective that wind blocker is. I'm blowing directly on the microphone. Alright, then I'm going to put the do-it-yourself wind blocker on there and we'll hear the difference. Alright, so now I got the wind blocker on there. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to blow directly where the microphone is. I don't even know if you can hear that, but it does make a huge difference. Yeah, that last test definitely showed how effective that little, piece of furry fabric is. You know what I mean? For a couple bucks, $120 for this whole, all this fabric, and then $2 for, a pack of hair ties and stuff. The wind blocker helps a lot in when you're shooting action videos, when you're trying to talk. Especially when you're talking, it helps tremendously. But anyway, that was my super simple do-it-yourself wind blocker. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.